Today, at the age of 65, I share the 7 pillars that transformed my life, making me feel younger and more energetic. My motivation is to see transformations in the lives of people of all ages. They deflate and rescue their lives. Let's look at the 7 pillars that changed my life and the lives of many people. Let's start with something simple: kale and apple juice. The first step is to invest in this powerful juice, made with just 2 ingredients: kale and apple. The apple helps to extract all the nutrients from the kale, making it a true pharmacy of nutrients. Kale is rich in calcium and magnesium, essential for bone health. Furthermore, it has incredible properties that benefit the entire body. So, how about including this juice in your routine and feel the benefits? How to make this juice? It's simple. Just wrap a cabbage leaf around the apple and put it through the centrifuge. In seconds, you will have a juice full of vitality and health. Want to know more about the other 6 pillars that transformed my life? Keep watching and discover how you too can de-inflame, renew your health, and feel younger and more energetic. Practical and effective, the second step is to prepare overnight oats with chia and cooked apples. This is my secret strategy for keeping my intestines active and healthy. Why overnight? Because you soak the oats and chia overnight. Just mix 2 spoons of oatmeal with 1 spoon of chia, top up with water, and place in the fridge. The next day, you will have delicious porridge full of nutrients to feed your intestines. Also, include cooked apples in your diet. Eat them 3 times a day for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They are powerful allies for intestinal health. These foods are essential because the intestine is the starting point for good health. This is where digestion and absorption of nutrients take place. Deflate your intestines and feel the difference in your health. The third step is to invest in restful sleep. I eat 2 kiwis for dessert at dinner. They contain phytomelatonin, which helps regulate sleep. Make sleep a priority and feel refreshed in the morning. Remember, sleep is just as important as eating well. By following these simple steps, you will be taking care of your body from the inside out. Deflate your intestines, nourish your body, and live a healthier, more vibrant life. Try it and get results. We can transform our health for the better. The fourth step is stress management. I do this by consuming foods that promote emotional balance. A good technique is breathing 478. It's simple. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. Repeat 4 times in a row, ideally in the morning or before meals, to reduce anxiety and balance the autonomic nervous system. This technique is powerful because it balances the sympathetic nervous system, responsible for stress, with the parasympathetic nervous system, which brings calm. It's like a switch that prepares us to deal with stressful situations and calms us down afterwards. In addition, I consume foods rich in omega-3 and tryptophan, which are essential for the production of neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and dopamine. These neurotransmitters are essential for regulating mood and emotions. So, when we talk about emotions, it is important to remember that food is the raw material for the production of these neurotransmitters. There is no point in just taking medication to increase its presence in the brain. You need to provide the right nutrients through your diet. By managing stress and nourishing our bodies with the right foods, we can promote emotional balance and better mental health. Try these tips and feel the difference in your life. Together, we can cultivate a calm and healthy mind. The fifth step is to transform your kitchen into a natural pharmacy, prioritizing natural remedies before supplements. Our routine should be full of strategic foods, and I would like to share 2 essential recipes: chicken foot jelly and the incredible little leaf called Ora pronobis. Chicken foot jelly is the best collagen you can offer your body. It's so effective and economical that it makes you rethink the need for collagen supplements. While supplements may not be fully absorbed by the body, chicken foot jelly delivers collagen directly to your cells, promoting radiant skin and healthy joints. Ora pronobis, a leaf commonly found in vacant lots, is an incredible source of essential amino acids. In Brazil, it is very well known. It can be used as a protein base in your meals, offering vital nutrients for the body. Furthermore, it is an excellent source of iron, making it perfect for those looking to increase their intake of this mineral. By incorporating these foods into your routine, you will be strengthening your health in a natural and effective way. Try these recipes and enjoy the benefits that nature has to offer. Your health will thank you. The 6th step is hydration. Oops, important step. One tip I always share is that 1 liter of water comes from a quality source, while the rest can be obtained from food. For example, when you run a cucumber through a centrifuge, you get structured water full of nutrients. The 7th step, perhaps the best known and most talked about. We are talking about physical activity. Physical exercise, especially weight training, is essential. When you exercise, the muscle puts pressure on the bone, helping to bind calcium. But in addition to calcium, we need a varied and balanced diet and, of course, a good night's sleep. Recently, science has revealed that each muscle contraction produces a series of proteins called myokines. These proteins circulate in your body, improving memory, promoting the growth of new neurons, and bringing benefits to the entire organism. I hope you enjoyed this explanation about food as your best medicine. My goal is to help transform your cooking into a natural habit, the way I have lived and practiced for over 20 years, making it easy and practical to do every day. If you want a healthier life, free from pain and chronic fatigue, start choosing the right foods and adopting an anti-inflammatory routine today. Your health will thank you. I thought it would be very difficult to make homemade food every day. It turns out that all food requires dedication and work. When the intention is to benefit, then everything changes. It is very practical and healthy. What do you want to see in the next video?